guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing yet another Stoney Clover Lane haul. So excited to show you what I got. I know I said, oh, the princess one, this is gonna be my last haul, gotta give it a break from the Stoney Clover, and then I bought all this merchandise, and then literally like 2 weeks later they had up to 40% off Disney, so of course, you know, I had to jump in on it. So anyway, let's just jump right into the video and let me show you what I got. So we are doing an unboxing. So I have two things here today. So let's open it up. This box, by the way, is a lot easier to open than the gigantic one that I got last time. So let's see. Oh, I actually got a Disney portfolio this time. Last time I was so upset because I ordered like all this merchandise from the Princess collection that Never Stop Dreaming, and I couldn't even, first of all I had to wait like 3 weeks to get my stuff, and then when it came I didn't even get the cute little Princess portfolio and the sticker like everyone else got. So anyway, if you're new to Stoney Clover, they're very high-end, like makeup slash storage bag slash they have some clothing, just very cute stuff. It was started by two sisters, I believe, during COVID, and they just have excellent quality things, very pricey but adorable, and they package everything so very nicely. So this is, oh, very cute, oh my gosh. So this was worth it. Oh, I'm so glad I got this. So we got this little portfolio, and this is where they keep your invoice for what you purchased. Then I got this little daisy postcard, so adorable. And a Minnie Mouse sticker. This is actually a really nice sticker too. I can't see that I would put it on anything, maybe my laptop. I just feel like, do you ever feel like that when you were growing up? I would like have this whole collection of stickers, but I did not want to like put them on anything because it's like, oh no, I have to save it for like the special whatever, and then it never came about, and who knows where those stickers are today. But anyway, so let's see. The only, I don't know, maybe leave me a note in the comments where you have an idea where I could put this. I'm thinking maybe my laptop if I put it anywhere. Otherwise, maybe I'll just save it. All right, let's get into the deep dive of the stuff here. So again, very, very cute. All right, so let's do the bag first. So I had this personalized. Again, these were, I don't know how much the bags were off, but I know that some of their patches were up to 40% off. The bag might have been like just 20 or 30% off. So I got it personalized with the red mini bow. So very cute. I actually had another one, the bow print one, in my cart, but by the time I went to check out, of course, everyone snagged it. So I'm gonna have to keep a lookout and see if it comes back, because I really did kind of wanted that one, and I wanted to put the bow on that one, so I had to change it up at the last minute and get this one. But I think this will be very cute. So again, if you're new to Stoney Clover, you'll notice they have these beautiful gold toggles on the zipper. Very nice quality zipper, very good quality merchandise. So this is the small pouch, and it is just lined white on the inside with the logo. So I'm excited about this. So I don't know if I will use this for, generally I don't put makeup in there. I know you can, but generally I use it for like more packing kind of cubes when we go on Disney trips. On my last trip I used my small princess one to put like my underwear and socks and all that, because it's a little bit more conspicuous. You can't see what is inside. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Lauren. I have a 2-year-old daughter named Lucia. We love to go to Disney a lot. We share all the things and all of our little adventures along the way, and I would love it if we are not already friends to go ahead and subscribe now. Go ahead and don't forget to like the video if you're enjoying the content so far, and let's get back into the video. All right, now we're gonna get into my patches. All right, so I don't think I've done a haul video from when I went to the Stoney Clover Lane sample sale. I should do one of those videos maybe one day, since I keep seeming to buy all of this merch that I keep telling you I'm not going to because it's so expensive. But when I went to the Stoney Clover Lane sample sale a couple weeks ago, I bought this big denim jumbo fanny pack, and I got a great deal because all their stuff was like 70% off retail. So it was pre-personalized, and it had a camping patch, which I wasn't like crazy about. So I needed to get a patch to like cover that. So my thought is I'm going to take off the camping patch that is on that one, and I bought this, which I kind of wish I would have got the mini version, but this is very cute, and I think it's going to be large enough, because I think, if I'm not mistaken, the patch itself is maybe like this big. So I think it'll be easy for me to just remove, and then I'll either do it myself or maybe I'll take it down to the shop. Now, if you're a fan of Stoney Clover, you know that now they're doing actually this new thing, like a promotion, where the more, of course, the more merchandise you buy, you get special discounts and whatnot. So I forgot what it's called, but I made it up to like the second tier, where you get like certain merch personalized. Like I think twice a year I could get a free personalization, because if you're familiar with the products, you know that if you want to get anything personalized with patches, they charge you $15 to do that. So anyway, it actually was perfect timing, because right after I bought all these patches, they came out with that, and so now I have all these patches, and I could easily go during my lunch hour at work and go down to their Soho store and have them apply it. So very excited about that now. So I could possibly bring this on my next Disney trip, which currently is in September. My birthday's in June, so I'm hoping I can schedule another one. If you know me, I'm just like always on the whim, but for sure we've had this Disney trip for my daughter's birthday planned in September for the last year, since we got back from our last September trip. So I'm excited. That's at least on calendar. We're definitely going for that one. All right. Then, I think my battery's about to die. I might have to switch and get a new battery. So then I got a little mini, I got a mini patch. I got another Aurora patch, which I already have one that I have to find actually. So I plan to put this on I have a big Aurora large Stoney Clover pouch, and I also have the Princess Never Stop Dreaming, or Never Stop Dreaming pouch, so I could put one on each of those now that I have two patches. Like I said, I gotta find the other one, because I bought that last year during their Disney sale, and I have no idea where I put it. Then I got two of these Ariel patches. You're gonna see one of the things I bought in a second, and then the other one, I got a small green mini pouch that it's like green with the clear front. So my thought process is I want to put this on here, and then we can put stuff for my daughter, since she is a Little Mermaid fan. Maybe we could put like her little hair ties in this one, and this will be like dedicated to be her pouch. So I got two of those. And then the last item is I got an Aurora patch, so I gotta figure out maybe which one of my princess ones I'll put on there. And then, if I could hold out before my battery dies, I actually ordered something while I was Googling. Nordstrom Rack actually had something from Stoney Clover, and I wasn't even like shopping there. It just came up on my Google. So I got a great deal on this pouch. It came to $42.99. So I got the Ariel pouch. So now I could put Ariel, the other Ariel, on the pouch, and it's a large pouch. So this one, I figured when we go to Disney, we could put all of our swim stuff in this. All right, I did not make it in time. My battery died, so I quickly charged the battery, so we're gonna wrap it up before it dies again. So I don't know at what point I stopped, but anyway, this is the Ariel large pouch from Stoney Clover. I got it at Nordstrom Rack. Very good deal. It was a little over 40 bucks. So I'm really excited. We're going to use this at Disney and put all of our swim gear in there when we go. And I think it's just perfect because it screams, hi, I'm going to Disney and I am swimming. So yeah, I'm gonna put the Ariel patch on here also. So very excited about that. And I think that's gonna about do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed with watching me open all my new Stoney Clover Lane purchases. That is going to put me in a lot of debt soon enough. But yeah, if you enjoyed today's content, go ahead and don't forget to hit that like button, ring the bell so you'll be notified for all future content, and we will see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place, always